Pag may pinagdaanan ka, daanan mo lang. Huwag mong tambayan. Huwag mong pabahayan. Nag-imbita ka pa ng mga kapitbahay. to justify, kawawa ako, wala akong magagawa. Ako talagang biktima dito. Oo nga, biktima ka. Gusto mo ba? Kung ayaw mo na, tigil mo. Ayun ang solusyon. No amount of advice, no amount of money, no amount of medicine, except make a choice, because in the end, the solution is change the way you think. Yes, I'm a victim, and I have a choice to get out of this because I choose responsibility, and now I can use this to move me to my next level. From a shitty life to, all right, I'm letting this go. It's a decision. And I'll create this as my own fertilizer. If you notice, Bray, lahat ng pinakapangit na nangyari sa buhay mo, yan yung naging hagdanan kung nasaan ka ngayon.
Totoo.
Exactly.
And I would do it all over again.